So good evening to all and Assalamu alaikum. So this is the basic Python course. So in this course, you will learn the basic concept of coding, not only Python. If you go to any languages, you will learn the basic concept. Okay. I will explain in the simple way so that you can understand easily. Okay. Do you have any doubt in this session? During session, you can ask anytime. Okay. You can unmute and you can ask anytime. But follow one rule. If somebody is asking any doubt, you can calm, and once he complete his doubt, then you can ask. Okay. So multiple students are asking same time the question or doubt. It is difficult to answer. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Just tell me. Yeah, okay. So here lot of small kids also, like a grade 4 grade 5 also studying. So what we are going to use, you are going to use one tool, edu blocks. Okay, it's like a, like scratch programming, correct? Like scratch programming, same way there is a one tool to do drag and drop. With the blocks we can drag and drop and you can learn the coding with that. So now we can initially 1 or 3 sessions we can use with edu block, but in the last 4 session we will install Visual Studio Code. Already I shared the video how to install Python and how to install VS Code and how you can figure. So next is class I will explain you. So I already shared the video, again I will share it. So in this coming week you try to install Python and you try to install VS Code, and next week onwards we will use the VS Code for our coding. Okay, so today's we will do little fun activity, then we will use edu block. Okay, so fine, so let's start. I will share my screen. Google Meet link. Okay, okay, so can you able to see my screen, right? Okay, great. Okay, fine. So now what is Python? Okay, I will explain with simple way so that you can understand. Okay. Python is a programming language. Okay, what is programming? Anybody knows what is programming? Whatever you know you can tell. Okay, this is not like I am only speaking throughout the session, you also can speak. It will be an interactive discussion. Okay, and now you can tell. Anybody know what is programming? Any student? You can unmute and you can answer. What is programming? Okay, very good, very good. Any other student? Okay, I will explain. Program is the one, it is an instruction. Okay, so your parents, assume your parent asks some work to you. Okay, so what is your name? So who go answer? What is your name? Last answered student, can you tell me? Nihal. Okay, Nihal, your father are asking, Nihal, can you please bring some water, right? So you will do that work until unless you will get the instruction. Your father is telling, my son, go and bring some water. So you are going and bringing the water. So this is the instruction. Your father is giving instruction to you. Okay, in the simple English language. Okay, if you know Urdu, he will tell in Urdu. Okay, beta pani leke aa. Okay, if you have any other languages, Tamil, it will tell in Tamil language. So like that, different people having different languages, they are giving instruction to others. Like that, we are giving instruction to the hardware devices, like computer devices in different languages. Some people, how you are using, Nihal is using English, other people using Tamil, somebody is using Urdu. In this world, lot of languages are there, right? So for communication, like that way, for computer or hardware device, computer is like an electronic device, right? So it doesn't know anything, so you have to give the instructions. So that instruction we are giving in, somebody is giving in Python language, somebody giving in Java language, C language. So different languages we can give the instruction. So the simplest way of giving instruction is the Python. Okay, Python is like it's like a English. So learning Python is like learning English language. That much simple. Okay. Yeah. Once again. So somebody is also asking. Okay. Yeah. See. Next thing is who is using this language. So a lot of big companies are using, like Google is using, and NASA is using. Google is using for the search engine. NASA is using for space research development. Pixar, you know, right? Pixar is the very famous company to develop the 3D animation movies like Finding Nemo, right? You are very fan of Finding Nemo, Cars. So those kind of movies, they are using Python language also to develop that. Okay. So this is theoretical, mainly we'll focus about the practical coding wise. Who developed this language? Okay, this gentleman. So in 1991, he developed the Python language. His name is Guido van Rossum. Okay, so he developed the Python language. So then you know what is Python? Apart from coding, anybody know what is the meaning of Python? Leave about coding. What is Python means? Snake. Yeah, very good. Okay. What is your name? Who answered? Lukman, very good, Lukman. Yeah, very nice. So the snake, Python means the snake, but why he named the snake to the programming language? Correct. The naming is just for identification. Okay. So let's see. Lukman, what is your favorite cartoon movie? What is serial like Tom and Jerry or Motu Patlu? What is your favorite cartoon movie? Motu Patlu, yeah. So how you like Motu Patlu? That our guide also like the one series. That series name is Monty Python's Flying Circus. Got it? So he is the famous series in his days. In 1990, this is the famous BBC television series like our Tom and Jerry and Motu Patlu. He liked this series. It's like a comedy series. So in this series, he liked the word Python. Simply, he took that word from that series. I keep it. Okay, there is no other main purpose of this name. Okay, it is simple. Okay, why Python is so famous nowadays? Okay, other languages are there. Okay, Java. So I didn't introduce myself. I am Mohammad Riyaz. I am having 15 years of experience in this programming field. I work Java, JavaScript, C, and Python. Okay, but in this all languages, Python is very simple. That's why I have decided to give awareness to the kids what is coding, what is programming. Okay, so then why Python is famous nowadays? Okay, in 1990 only the Rosum Guido invented the language, but nowadays last 5 to 10 years only Python is very famous because Python is used for robotics. Last 10 years robots in Japanese also, in Japan robots are very famous. They are doing a lot of industrial work by using robots. So to control the robot, to give the instruction, this robotics Python is very useful. Okay, next thing is artificial intelligence. In this artificial intelligence, Allah gave the intelligence to us, right? We can think. Somebody is asking, let me approve. Okay. Okay, so please join on time so that it will won't disturb others. So next session, please join by 4 o'clock. Okay, I will start 5 minutes before to approve. So please join on time. Okay, this is first session. Okay, so next session, please join on time. Okay, so what is intelligence means? uh, God gave to human intelligence by default, right? You can think while going to the road, you can watch the traffic, based on that you can cross the road. But the machines doesn't have intelligence, doesn't have the common sense. So we have to give the common sense to the machines. So we have to give the intelligence to the machine. See this video, this man, the gentleman playing the chess not with other person, he is playing the chess with the machine. Look at here, whenever he move the some chess coins, so automatically the machine is moving, right? The pawn he is moving, it will decide whether I have to use move the pawn or I have to move the bishop or queen. So based on that, the intelligence we have writing the code and we can give it to the machine. So he is moving this coin, you have to move that coin. So this kind of instruction we can give to the machine by using Python. Next thing is machine learning. So now not only is big robots, small machines also used in for our make our life easy. So we can control the machines by using the Python programming language. So for machine learning, it is very useful. And for web development, okay, and for website development you are using, right, Google Meet. That is also one web page. Google web page, WhatsApp web page, okay, then Twitter, and lot of web pages are there. If you go to your school, that is also website, right? So or to develop the web page also Python is used. So now to develop the game, so we can, by using Python, the end of this session I will teach you how to develop the simple game that is called turtle game. Okay, we'll create one game called turtle race. Okay, so we can create lot of animations by using Python. Okay, I will show you some of the animation after this session. So data science, for analyze the data, big data, that is an advanced concept. Okay, you don't have to learn about data science now. I'm telling for your information, for data science also it is used. So now theoretical concept finished. Now we are going to jump to practical. Okay, all our session will be practical only. This is the only 5 minutes we will give introduction, that's all. So going forward you will do coding along with me, then only it will be useful for you. Okay, so now I will give one link. Please open that link. Okay, I will give this link in the chat window. Chat window, yeah, in the Google Meet chat link I will give this link. Please open that link, app.edublocks.org. So we will do the coding through this tool. So this is the tool, very useful. It's like a scratch programming, drag and drop. With the drag and drop you can develop the coding. No. Yeah, we don't have to require. Scratch is not important. I'm giving only example. Okay, so scratch is doesn't require. Okay, the scratch only, you don't have to know anything. Okay, I will explain step by step, don't worry. Okay, we can use HTML to make website, yes, but we are not teaching HTML in this session. We are concentrating on Python. Okay, so once you click that link, you will apps.edublock.org. I'll type that link. Okay, if you click that link you will see this page, correct? Okay, you can log in with your Google account or you can directly start programming. So if you log in, what is the advantage of login is you can save your project so that tomorrow session you can see for your reference, you can see it. Okay, that is for login purpose. So if I log in, I can able to see this like this. Okay, how to log in? So now if you click login button, okay, it will give you email and password. Either you can click register button and you can click it, or you can click Google icon here. Okay, you can see right Google button. So if you click this Google button, then it will ask your Gmail username password. If you give your Gmail username password, your parents can help, but you do later. So don't do now, you concentrate on this class. Later you can log in. Click login button and click this G icon, and once you click the G icon, it will ask you to, this pop-up window will come. Then you can give your username password. Once you give your username password, then your image will come like this. Okay, after login you can see like this. Okay, so that you do it later. Okay. So that is not important, that is only to save your code. Okay, so now once you are able to see this code, all are able to see this home page. Welcome to EduBlocks 4.0. All are able to see? Yeah, okay. If anybody doesn't able to see that, let me know. Okay, otherwise I will continue. Now I will tell you, I will show some interesting code to by using this Turtle library. Today we'll learn turtle library. Okay. By using turtle library, we can create lot of interesting animations, graphic. For example, Doraemon. Okay. I'm going to create Doraemon character by using turtle library. Let's see. I'm running the Python program. Python do Doraemon.py. So when I run this my turtle library automatically, I'm giving instruction, draw the circle and draw the rectangle and draw eyes. And after drawing eyes and draw nose and draw this mustache and hand, then body and leg. So I'm giving instruction in the coding step by step. Based on my coding, it is drawing the my character. Whatever character required, it is drawing. It is very interesting. It is very fun. I will teach you how to create the coding for this. Okay. So another interesting, somebody is waiting in the lobby. Let me, is waiting. Okay. Okay. So please next time join on time so that it don't. Okay. So now Doraemon I completed. So now I'll draw the panda. So Python panda.py. So this will draw the panda. Okay. So next thing is I will draw the shapes. Okay. So by using the turtle library, you can draw these kind of animations. Okay. So this is not only simple, it look like, but by using this library, you can create complex animation. For example, I will draw one more complicated cartoon character here. Pikachu. Python. Okay. So like this, you can draw. So you can give only x-axis and y-axis value, and you can give color. What color you want to give, you can create. Is it interesting to learn? Yeah, okay. So we can create multiple like this small, very interesting animations. We can create and we can draw programmatically. Okay, let it complete. Then we'll start coding. Please open that apps.edublog.org and I will teach you step by step. First, I will draw one square. You notice. Then after that, I will teach you. I will guide you step by step how you can do it. Okay. Yeah. So let me minimize this and I'll go to edublog.org. I already opened. Okay. So now click, scroll down. Just notice, don't do anything. Just watch what I am doing here. Okay. I'm just scrolling. Next time you will do it. Okay. So you can create, you can follow my instruction. After I'll complete, I will explain you how you can do the, how you can draw the coding. I'll create the Python 3. I will select the Python, create new project, and I will select Python. Don't do anything now, just notice, just watch how I am doing. Okay. So now we can create square. I'll give the file name. I'll click start coding. Though here, once you come to this window, it will show you start coding here. So first thing is we have to import. What is import? Import means somebody develop some library, some coding for you. Okay, you don't have to develop again. You can use it. Okay, for example, we are building one big house. So for building the house, what is required? Bricks are required, but we are not taking the sand and we are not making the bricks. What we'll do, ready made, we are buying the bricks, we are our constructing our house, right? So like that, somebody developed the coding, we are using their code. So that for that person using the developer already, who is the Python developers, they developed how we can use simple, we can import it. Okay, we don't have to create the code from again scratch. So only from the import we can use their code. So what I'm importing, I'm using turtle. That is the one library. Okay, so first time I'm clicking import. Just watch, just notice, don't do anything. I will guide you how you can do step by step. Got it? Just notice. So what I have done, I created a new project. I came here and I just click import button. This is the first step. I click this from total import. This is the library. I have downloaded the library in my coding panel. After that, I am creating the shape. So for that, I have to scroll down. I have to click just the second step, click the turtle and just click this turtle equal to turtle. Just connect this block. Okay, see automatically this is my Python coding. Whenever you connect the block, if I remove the block, it will automatically connect it. So you have to connect the blocks from turtle, and I'm creating my turtle. Turtle is like a pen, it will draw. So you watch, right? Previously you watch how the animations are getting created. So like that, it will draw. Turtle is a pen. Okay, I have created the turtle equal to new turtle. Next thing is I have to put the speed. How much speed? The pen speed of the pen. So I can increase or decrease. I'll put speed equal to 1. Slowly I want to draw. I don't want that much fast. Next thing is, what is my pen color? What is the pen color? Then pen color is red color. I want my red color pen. You can create whatever color you want. You can create. Okay, my pen color is in double quotes. I give red. When I run this code, here my red color pen came. Okay, but something I can see the black color arrow, right? So the black color arrow I don't want. I want red color. Then you can use fill color. I have to go to fill color. Then again, what color you want, you can choose. I want red. If I red, I'll stop. I'll run again. Then I can see red color. The arrow is red color, but I don't like arrow. I want my pen should be not arrow. I want turtle itself. The turtle itself should draw the square. So again, I can go here. I can click turtle dot shape. When I stop, when I run, I can see the turtle came here. So now my pen is ready. Okay, now my pen is ready. Got it? So you got the step. This step, the turtle is the pen. I have created the turtle equal to turtle. That is a pen. I drag and drop here. So how much speed I have to write? Somebody write very speed, very fast. Somebody want to write very slowly. So we can control the speed with this speed command. Turtle dot speed. That is the instruction. Next thing is, what is my pen color and what is the inside the color I can change. For example, my pen color I want blue. If I give blue, always you have to give inside the double quotes. Okay. So now I stop, I run again. I can see the blue color border. Okay, pen color is the it's a not two comma, it's a double quotes. Okay, you can see that before enter command, you can see is no, without that, if you put, it will throw the error. Okay, if you remove the double quotes, then see here it will come like a, this is like a variable and data type. So next session I will explain why we have to give the comma, why we should not give the comma. So that is called variables. Okay, if I run it, it will throw the error. It will get angry. What is this? Name error. Name blue is not defined on line number 6. So what is line number 6? If I go to code, line number 6 is like here. It is starting from 1. Okay, the blue is not defined. Okay, what is defined and undefined? I will explain you. Okay, when I stop, run, I have to give the double quotes. Okay, that is very important. Okay, yeah. Okay, so my code is ready. This is my code. Automatically, whenever I drag and drop, the code will be ready here. Okay, so now I'll stop it. First thing is how you'll start the square. First we'll draw the line, right? To draw the square, we have to draw the line first. So for that, I will call the turtle. Turtle, please draw one forward line. One forward. What is a line? So you can see here, you can give what is my width of the line. How much big I want? I want 100. Size of the line is 100. If I run it, I can see my line is going this much big. Got it? It is a 100. If you want to more bigger line, you can give 200. Got it? So this much bigger line. So you want short line, you can give 10. Okay, so how much bigger line you want smaller line, you can control with this. What is make Python code is here, turtle dot forward, the number you have to give. I will explain what is the code. This is my library, somebody developed the turtle library, so I am using that. So for that, line number 2 is from turtle import asterisk. Asterisk means lot of code will be there, I want everything, so that's why asterisk. Next thing is the turtle is the pen. So this like a to draw something you want pen or pencil, right? So turtle is the pen. I have to create the pen. How I can create? This is a syntax. So I told you, right? There is a instruction. We have to give the instruction to the computer how I want. So turtle equal to turtle, open bracket, close bracket is the one which is the creating your pen. Turtle is the pen. Assume it is a pen. Okay. So next thing is this is the pen. So next thing is what is the speed? So if I am giving one is very slow, I will give speed. I want very speed. I'll give 10. When I stop and run, it is going. The length is okay. So I am giving very fast. Okay. So it is going very fast. So first, can we create the line now? Okay, so now you can do it. Now I will guide you how you can do. You watch it, right? How I can drag and drop, how I can put it. So everything you know. So now I will remove everything. Okay, I'll go back. I'll start from first. You can follow me. I will delete this also. Otherwise, I'll create new. Got it? Yeah, tell me. Yeah. Yeah. No problem, no problem. I'm just, you don't have to remember. You just watch it. Now we will do one by one. Got it? Who is asking? Let me come. Nihal. Okay, Nihal. See. Yeah, tell me, Nihal. What do you want to remember? You don't have to remember all the steps. Now we will do step by step. Okay. Now we'll do step by step. We will do it. Okay. The first thing is just open that. Open apps.edublock.org. Open it. App dot. Can you all are able to see this thing? Open. Okay, now we'll do all the students please open, go to this, click this link. I gave the link, click that link, app.edublock.org, click that link. Open, right? Okay, very good. So now click, yeah, tell me. Do it, don't watch. If you watch, you cannot able to understand. Okay, you have to do it. Okay. Okay, so all are able to open this screen, open this window. Okay, I will give slowly only. Okay, I'm not going very fast. So once you do step by step, I will do. Okay, all are open that link, apps.edublock.org. This is the link. You can open the browser app.edublockс.org. Okay, this is a drag and drop only. Okay, those who are not having laptop, they can do from the iPad also. Those who are having mobile, they can do it. Only you can drag and drop. Just go to this link. Okay, all are open. Now the first step is click get started. Can I proceed? Next, click get started. Okay, when you click get started, you can see here lot of coding languages, Python, HTML, and those things. So now we learn only Python. So you can see small circle on top right of Python. You can see here small circle. Okay, I'll draw it, I'll show you. You can see this circle. Can you able to see? Okay, so, yeah, now click that circle. Click that circle. Okay, once you click that circle, you can see here file name. So next, the second step you can see the file name. I'm just putting red color circle, right? So here you give square. You give square. Okay, I am giving the, yes, you can give any name. This is only for your purpose. Square. We are going to draw the square now. SQUARE, or you can give your name, no problem. After giving, you can blue color. You can see the blue color. Okay, so click start button. This is the first step. This is second step. This is the third step. First step, you have to click the Python icon. Second step, you have to give the file name. Third step, you have to click start coding. Got it? Okay, yeah. So now I will clear the steps. I'll click start coding. When I click start coding, you can able to see this window. Got it? Okay. Okay. So once you've done this, you have to click imports. Click imports. This is the, when all are able to see the screen. Yeah. Okay. Now click import from turtle import. I will just mark here. Okay. So click the import and select that from turtle import. What is import means? Can anybody tell? Nihal, can you please tell? What is mean by import here? What is import means? Everything is there, somebody developed, some gentleman. Yeah, maybe our guido wrote the code for us. Okay, we have to thank the guido. He's the developer of the Python, so he already wrote some code, some useful code. So when I click forward, the line is going right. Who wrote the code? Guido already wrote the code, or somebody new. So daily somebody in the Python community, they are writing useful code. They are putting in the Python repository. Repository means it's like a library. They are adding one book. It's like a millions of book is there in one library. We can take and we can read, we can use like that. Library means millions of code will be there. Whenever we want, we can use and we can take it. Again, some request is coming to join. So I have to clear. Who is waiting? What not opening? What URL you gave? Oh, okay. What message you are getting? Ah. Maybe some issue with your laptop or something. What is your name? Wasim. Okay. So you maybe some issue with your tab or something. Okay. For others, it is working. Nihal, is it working for you? Yeah, other student it is working, maybe some issue with your tab. Okay, check it. Okay, so now the other students, click here. The import is there, right? So import, you can see from turtle import. So drag the, just you can don't have to drag, you can just click also enough. So click that import and just click it. Once you click, you have to connect. Yeah, when you join, Okay, so what we are doing in the Edu blocks, we are drawing the square. Okay, so we are drawing the square by using Python code. Okay, yeah. So other students just click import and drag and drop here. Click import or drag and drop also fine. While clicking also fine. Once you click, you have to connect. So we dock the import. Okay. The next step is we are creating the pen. How to create the pen? We have to go to turtle. Turtle is our pen. So which is used to draw. How we can create the pen? Just click the turtle. Have you done this step? Step number 1 is done. Okay, very good. Please answer other students also. If you are didn't done, you stop me and I will wait for you. Okay, this is the basic things. Okay, so today we are going to draw square only. Okay, once you from turtle import, next again go to the pen and first block you can see turtle equal to turtle. You click it, it will come to your workspace. This is my workspace. The dotted area is there, no? That is workspace. So once you came, how you, no, don't type. So that is only for your reference. Whenever you drag and drop, automatically code will generate for you. So this edu block is only used to generate your Python code. Okay, so black space you don't have to do, only you have to drag and drop, and in the block whatever things want you can change it. Okay. Okay, so turtle equal to turtle. This is my pen. Got it? I am creating the pen. Turtle is the pen to draw. So I created the pen. What is the my pen color you want? You can give. So I want the color of my pen. If you run this, once you add this two step, just click the run button. If you run button, you can you cannot see anything because you don't do any action. So I will give the color to my pen. So what is the color I want? I can go to turtle. It is this step is done. Okay, very good. So two step is done. Two step is done. What is my third step? The third step is I am going to create the color for my pen color. Pen color, this is the RGB code, we can say red green blue combination. Either you can give like this or simply you can give whatever color you want. Don't forget to give double quotes. In your laptop the double quotes will be there before the in the second row from bottom. Okay, so in the double quotes you can give and you mention what color you want. Got it? I want pen color. Pen color should be red. But inside the fill, what color you want to fill the is a border. Pen color means the line color, the shape border color in. Okay, so next thing is what is my speed of the my pen, how speed I want to write. So no, either you can put the circle, you can give arrow, you can give turtle. Different animal not possible. Very nice question. What is your name? Zahid. Okay, very good question. So we cannot change any name, any animal. Only you can use arrow. By default, arrow is the shape of the pen. If you want to change, you can change to turtle. So here again, you can click turtle and I will tell you how we can do. Go to pen color is done. Pen color red is done. Okay. So now again click turtle and click the shape. Shape is my turtle. Okay, so what I have done, I have created the pen and I put the pen color is the red, then I gave the shape is the turtle shape. Okay, yeah. So after giving this, after giving shape turtle, we have to draw one line. Okay, once you're done, let me know. All four step is done, then we can proceed. If any student didn't done, you can stop me. Completed, huh? Okay, Zai. Okay, I will draw now the forward line. Forward line. how much line big I want. Forward means for straight line. Okay, forward means it will draw like this straight line. So if you want small line, you can give 10. If you want big line, you can give 100. Okay, so now I'm giving 90. 90 is enough. Okay, so I will run. If I run, see, it came, red color line came. So you click turtle and click forward. You can see here turtle forward. So click turtle forward, you can see one line. Got it? No quotations in the quotes. Directly given because the yeah, alphabet you have to give double quotes, but number you don't have to give. Okay, only A, B, C, D alphabet. Whenever you are giving alphabet, that time only quotations are required. Number it doesn't require. Okay. Okay. So I have given, but I can see some black color. My turtle is black color. I don't want my black color turtle. I want red color. Correct? So for that, you can see my turtle fill color. One method is there. Fill color. Correct? Turtle fill with what color you want to fill the turtle. You can put before forward. You can drop here. You can put before. You can drag it. Don't put after forward. Before forward, you drag and drop it and give the fill color as a red. When I stop and when I run, I can see here red color line. It look nice. Are you able to do? This is okay. This is my coding, Python coding. So step by step, we are learning how to develop the coding. Okay, this is my blocks. So what I have done, we have created the pen and we give the color to the pen. Okay, then we give the inside filling body color should be, we are giving as a red. Then we are going forward. Now I have to change the line. See, I went straight, but this is my direction. Now my direction is straight, but I have to change my direction. What direction? This is my left direction, left. Okay, so this side is the right direction. I have to change the direction. Okay, you students know, and you learn about method max angle, 90 degree, 45 degree, right? Okay, so those who are don't learn, I tell you. So this is my straight line. I want to turn the angle. How much angle I want to turn? I have to turn to 90 degree. Okay, 90 degree. So if I want to turn to uh straight 180 degree, if I want to turn like this, what is the degree of this? Can you anybody tell what is the degree of this? 45. Ah, very good. 45. So this is the angle. We have to tell the instruction to the the turtle. Hey turtle, you went straight. Good. Well and good. Now change your angle. Can you please change your angle? Yes, I will change. What is the instruction here? Same, you can go here. You can click. Otherwise, you can duplicate here. You can right click and you can duplicate. So you don't have to drag and drop every time. The same method you want, you can select the block and right click, click duplicate. Select the block, right click, duplicate. When you duplicate, in here you can see one drop down forward, right? That drop down, you select the left, okay, or right. This is the right side, right? I am turning to right side. So right side, what angle I want 90 degree. So when I stop, I'll run. I went straight, I change my angle. You saw 90 degree. If I give 45 degree and when I run, it will change 45 degree. Okay, okay, so what degree I want, you can change. I am giving 90 only. Okay, so now Nihal, you tell me, I want to draw. Now I want to go again. I want to draw square. What is my next step? What instruction I have to give to my turtle? Very good. Forward. What is the size of the line? I'll right click and duplicate, and I'm giving forward 90. Is a 90 or bigger? Forward 90 or bigger one? Very good, very good. Okay, so like that, please other students also speak. Is it Nihal, right? Very good. Okay, so please other students also please answer so that it will be more interactive. So very good, Nihal. So you are telling go straight forward because square all sides are equal. So I have given. Now what I will do, I will going straight and forward. Okay, Nihal, you tell me what is my next step. Very good. Which grade, Nihal, you are? Grade 5. Very good. Okay, so as Nihal said, again I have to change my degree to 90 degree. So I'll duplicate. Uh, Slant left, you don't give left, give right, and make sure you are giving 90. If you are giving 45, for example, I'll give 45. Let's see how it behaves. Okay, I'll stop, I'll run. Everything you give 100. Why you give 100? Give 90. Because angle, if I give angle 100, it will turn some other angle. For example, I'm giving my angle as 100, it will turn. See, don't give 100, give everything as a 90. This is a square. We are not drawing triangle. Triangle means you have to give different angle, but this is not triangle, this is a square. So give everything forward 90, right 90, forward 90, right 90. We are going to repeat the same thing. Okay, okay. So now I went forward, I change my angle 90 degree. Again, I draw forward, I change my angle 90 degree. Again, I will do forward. Yeah. Hmm. What? In this here? Here? Yeah, that is the Edu Block company. They design like this. Okay, you don't have to worry. So because always that they are putting x-axis, y-axis, this is a little advanced level. They put 0, 0. You know, x-axis, y-axis is the graph, right? So yes. So you can give here, if you go to turtle, you can see the coordinates. So some lot of other lower grade students also there. So I don't want to, they are little confused. They will confuse. So you can check with go to. So here go to is there, right? So here go to, you can change to go to. When the first step itself, you can put go to. Here go to, what is my x axis, what is my y axis, I can tell. Okay. See, it is coming from here. So I will give 0, comma 0. 0, comma 0. So you can change the position where I want. Okay, this is the center. 0, comma 0 is the center. If you want to go to another position, you can give minus 10. Yes. If you want to change the position, you can change the go to. Okay, so this will confuse others. You don't do this position. Go as per the middle. Yeah. Go to, don't confuse with go to now. Okay, so don't confuse with go to, just draw in the middle. That's all. Our main goal of this program is to draw the square. So we draw the square in the middle. Okay, so now we have completed the three side. So what we done, forward 90, right angle 90, forward 90. Yeah, second right came. Okay, I will tell you what is this. Okay, see here, forward 90 means it will go straight line, correct? Okay, so this is my left hand side. For this line, this is the left hand side, this is the right hand side. Okay, after going forward, I am changing my direction into 90 degree. Okay, so now I am changing the direction into right hand side 90 degree. That's why it is coming straight. Again I forward as a second line. The third time, one, two, three, fourth line. Fourth line, again I'm changing my 90 degree. So for this line, 90 degrees, what hand side, right hand side. This is the left hand side and this is my right hand side. Got it? For this line, if you stand this position, then this is your left hand, this is the right hand, right? Assume one person is standing here. Okay. So one person is standing here. This is his left hand side. Okay, this is the right hand side. Okay, got it? So now he's changing again the direction to right hand side 90°. So that's why here right 90 is there. Is it clear now? Okay, so just you imagine you are standing in this line. So what is your right hand side? Then what is your left hand side? What angle you have to change it? So finally again you change the right angle and again you forward it. Okay, so our square is completed. So today's session is over. So you practice this and let me know. Okay, next session we'll continue. Got it? Any doubt? Okay, you can see my code. This is my code. You can see the Python code. Like that, I have drawn circle, rectangle, others place. I will give the link. In that link, you can go and see. I will give the link in the channel. So this is the all the code you can see in this link. So I will share the link here. So in this link, you can see all the code. If you click this link, you can, I'll go to that link. Yeah, this is the basic course. The basic course, you can see how to draw circle, how to draw circle graphics, digiflower, maze, rectangle, square. Okay, so then triangle. So I thought to complete today this basic shape, but no problem. So next session we'll continue. We'll draw the some basic graphs. Got it? We have to use for loop for more interactive, more interesting shapes. Any doubt? Okay. Okay. Is it useful? Is it interesting? Okay. Okay. It is more interesting. So I'll tell you one more interesting before we leave. I will tell you one interesting how we can change the code. You can see here. This is my keep on repeating forward, right, forward, right, forward, right, forward. Okay. Again forward, right. So how many times it is repeated? Can you tell how many times? One. Very, yeah, loop block we can use. This is the fourth time it is repeated. Okay, so now if we introduce for loop, I can avoid this much repetition, duplication, correct? Yeah, so for that what we can do, we can introduce the loop here. Loop I can change here. I can keep it here for I equal to how many times we repeated? 4 times. So this and all I can delete. I can delete it. I don't want the repetition. So only I want this. This is the power of for loop. See here, I want to repeat the forward right 4 times. So when I stop and I run, I can see here. Got it? Okay. Yes, because we are duplicating, because all lines are same. So each time we are doing go straight and change angle, go straight and change angle. So we are repeating same thing. I'll tell you one more interesting stuff. Here I is the one. First time it is a 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. So I can change my angle into I multiplication. I is the initially 1, 2, 3, 4 like that will come. I multiplication 5. So I'm changing, I'm dynamic. Now it is the size is the fixed. So I want to change it dynamic line of the length of the line is the dynamic. Every time it get changed. For example, first time 1 into 5, 5. Second time 2 into 5, 10. Third time 3 into 5. How much? 3 5s are how much? 15. The fourth time 4 5s are 20. So like that. So now I will run. Now my lines are not same. See. Okay. So now I'll put 100. Very smart, but I put 100. Let's see how it comes. 100 times it will repeat. So it's look like a maze. Yeah, it's slowly it is getting bigger and bigger, because what happened, 1 5s are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So my length is getting bigger slowly. So now it's look like a maze, correct? That is a, yeah, so that is a power of for loop. For example, now I don't want square, I want what circle. So what I can do, I can simply, I will delete, instead of forward, I'll put circle. I'll go to turtle. I will create one circle. Where is the circle here? Yeah. So now I will draw the circle. Instead of I asterisk 5. Now I'll remove this. So only I'm drawing the circle, but size is they are varying. So 5, 10, 15, 20 like that. So now if I run the circle, so now circle like this. So my circle is slowly growing, but the same place. Circle is drawing in the same place. Now I want to change the angle of that. Every time it is not draw the from same point. It want to draw the circle from different point. So how I can do? I can change the right angle here. So now I'll change the angle of the circle into what is that? I can change to 20° every time. So now if I run, so now it is getting changed. My angle, the angle is getting different. Now 10° every time 10° the angle is getting different. So now it is very slow. I want very fast. How I can do? Turtle dot speed 100. So turtle dot speed. It is very slow. Go it very fast. So now I'll doing very fast. Okay, now turtle is drawing some graphical animations. It very fast. The code is very simple. So I'm drawing the circle and I asterisk 5. Okay, it is very interesting. Okay, so if okay, so we'll discuss more interesting next week. Okay, okay. One in range is how many times? So how many times I want to draw the circle? One time, two times. I want draw the circle for 100 times. Okay, so that is one in range means 100 times. How many times I want? Okay, okay, thank you. Thanks for your time. So next week we'll meet. Meanwhile, you can go through the code and try to implement your innovative thoughts.